iRobot Roomba Combo J7 Plus review. With its new update, iRobot's Roomba J7 has an articulating mop that retracts when it runs on carpets, making it easier for those with mixed flooring. This allows you to relax and let the autonomous bot do the tricky work while you focus on important life matters. We should clarify that the Combo J7 model comes in two variants, with and without the clean base, iRobot's self-emptying dustbin system. The model without the base has the name Combo J7 and with it included is known as Combo J7 Plus. This combo follows suit regarding its vacuuming capabilities. It has all the same features, such as its excellent dual rubber rollers, and an edge brush for gathering debris around the room. And its advanced iRobot software assists it in sidestepping objects like wires and pet waste. The only substantial differences from the other model are its higher amp-hour battery 4400 mAh and a divided 300 ml container that stores liquid for mopping and 400 ml for dust collection. It is important to understand that robot vacuums cannot clean large messes such as porridge, vomit, or other disgusting accumulations. This is because they only drag a wet pad over the floor in their path. Yes, a robot vacuum will be able to clean up any dried wine stain or muddy footprint, but larger messes only become smeared and spread around the floor. My bathroom and kitchen tests showed that the Combo J7 was particularly effective, leaving a streak of cleanliness in its wake. On these types of floors, we saw the best results with the highest wet setting. For my wooden floors, we chose to use the lowest water setting out of precaution. On the whole, I'm seriously impressed with the Combo J7's mopping capabilities. We absolutely appreciate how it senses rugs or carpets to retract the mopping plate, which it never misidentifies even when crossing short runners. Roughly, one tank of cleaning fluid should handle 700 square feet of mopping before needing a refill. We have no issues with this robot vacuum's suction capabilities on both hard floors and carpets. In reality, it is one of the leading robot vacuums on rugs. This is due to iRobot's state-of-the-art dual-rigged rubber roller system that can unleash a great deal of buried debris while using its excellent suction mechanism. However, these rollers also have a downside. They may scratch extremely glossy specialized floors like polished concrete or glassy surfaces as time goes by. The AI on the Combo J7 is adept at dodging obstacles, including dog feces, and when its mini bin is full it returns to the charging base where a dust bag collects all of the clean base's collected debris. You should be able to go a month before needing to install a new dust bag. We have used the regular J7, which is basically the same model, for 1 year and it hardly ever fails. It cleans to my expectations, as any robot vacuum would do, and we fancy its clean base style, yet we can't stand the loud noises it generates while emptying. It is one of the best models for vacuuming carpets, but whether you need the mopping capability is not certain.